Let's get your Spectrum internet up and running. First, locate your Spectrum modem, like the RAT2V1S, and router, such as the Ultra Wi-Fi router. Connect the coaxial cable to the modem's RF port, and then plug in the power adapter. If you have a combo modem router unit, the router ports will activate automatically. Next, download the Spectrum app or visit spectrum.net/activate. Follow the on-screen instructions, entering your account number and the serial number from your device. The system will perform a self-test, which usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. This app is AI integrated and can reduce setup time by 50%. Once your modem and router are activated, open the Spectrum app to configure your Wi-Fi settings. Start by creating a unique network name, or SSID, that you'll easily recognize. Set a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. For security, choose WPA3 as the encryption standard, which provides the latest protection against unauthorized access. If you have a mesh Wi-Fi system, like Spectrum's Ultra Mesh, use the app to add satellite units throughout your home. Place them in areas with weak coverage to eliminate dead zones and ensure seamless connectivity across all rooms, as shown in this diagram of a typical home setup. Next, run a speed test directly in the Spectrum app to check your internet performance. This will confirm you're receiving the speeds promised by your plan, such as 200 Mbps for a standard package. If the results are consistently lower, you may need to troubleshoot further. If your speed test shows slower than expected results, use the app to change your Wi-Fi channels. This helps avoid interference from neighboring networks. The graph here illustrates how signal strength varies across different channels, showing where congestion might occur. Finally, strengthen your network security. Enable two-factor authentication in the app for an extra layer of protection, as shown in this step-by-step process. Also, immediately change any default passwords to prevent unauthorized access, which could lead to scenarios like the network attack depicted here, where attackers intercept communications.